Hi, I'm Madonna. I'm just going to talk you through a quick little brain reset. So enjoy and try and do this for yourself at home. Okay. So firstly, I want you to run your central meridian and increase energy to your conscious pathway in your brain. Now I want you to rub your left and right areas just inside your collarbone, and this helps to reconnect the left and right sides of the brain. Now I know it will seem weird, but I want you to rub the tailbone just nice and gently. Keep your hand on your navel, and then do the other way around, the other navel. And what this does is helps to connect the rear of the brain with the front of the brain. And the next one, once again, a little bit of a strange thing, but rub the top and bottom of your lips. This is connecting the top and bottom of your brain. So when you're feeling under stress, by rubbing these 3 points, it helps to reconnect areas of the brain and help us feel more focused. Once again, run your central meridians and take a nice breath and allow all the stress of the day to go. Now let's just imagine you've got a practitioner in front of you who's going to connect the left and right sides of the brain through the corpus callosum. Okay, so I'm going to do this with stacking, so just imagine this happening on you, okay? Okay, so I've stacked in all of those little connections, us the wide supraspinatus muscles, putting in the amygdala. Okay, so for everyone at home, I just want you to imagine activating your serotonin and dopamine levels. So this area often gets switched off when we're vigilant, because the brain doesn't want us to relax and be happy. So just imagine that spot. Breathe and release. The next spot is on the xiphoid process, the little bony area where your ribs connect. This one is to do with fear, threat, danger. Just hold that little point and release any fears, any stresses. Release, release, release. Life is good. Life is safe. Now go down to the next point, which is about halfway between your xiphoid process, edge of belly button, and this one's to do with old pain and punishment circuitry. The stuff that makes us vigilant, it makes us look at people in a new light, it makes us stress. And then we find ourselves acting like a 3-year-old or a 10-year-old or a 15-year-old. And we think, that's not me, this is not my life. Why am I behaving like that? The next little area is escape, submission, freeze. The brain wanting to run away, the brain not believing there's a solution, so the brain just wanting to get out of there. We can feel that as being disconnected from our loved ones. We can feel that as not being a participant in life. And then the last one, just above the belly button, is rage, anger, frustration. And this little area, it can come up in a moment. We could be having a great day, and a voice or a tone of someone or a word they say can just activate some frustration, rage, anger from the past. So imagine that your amygdala has calmed down, you're thinking more clearly. Run your central meridian again. Oh, and another quick little tip before we finish. anti-clockwise tapping over the heart. What that one does, I can feel my body wanting to breathe nice and deeply with that. And what that one does is a combination of the left-right switching, the front-back switching, and the top-bottom switching. So clockwise over your heart, and it just helps to reset things. Well, it is a beautiful morning here in Australia, Brisbane, Australia. We've just hit winter 3 days ago. I hope you are having a fabulous day. Enjoy, and don't forget to make a comment. Have a great day.